I'm currently cycling my way across Korea from Incheon to Busan. After a very long day yesterday, I arrived in Chungju City. We pick up on day 8. I just need to grab a quick stamp from our certification center before I can explore this area more deeply. Annyeonghaseyo. Welcome back to the channel. I just woke up, took a shower, and then looked out my window and noticed all of this. I really wonder if it's still gonna be like this out when I start cycling. It definitely add a different vibe for sure. Look at that thing. This pear is ridiculous. It's legitimately heavy. I guess you can eat the skin. Maybe I should make sure. It's very good. Yeah, the flavor's a bit different. It's not overly sweet, but there is some sweetness there. It's very, very watery. Well, I guess this is my breakfast today. Well, I only managed to eat this much of it. It's huge, man. Tastes less like a pear, like an American pear, and more like a melon of some kind. And it's so watery, it's almost watermelon-like, but not exactly. I'm not a fan of watermelon at all, but I actually liked this one. Today's destination is only about 10 kilometers away and takes me completely out of the way of the rest of the Four Rivers Trail. For that reason, I decided to quickly knock this one out this morning so I have time today to explore the area more deeply before actually moving on first thing tomorrow morning. That's the certification center we got yesterday. Guess I could have just got it this morning, but... So right now we're passing through the same park I explored last night. If you didn't see that video, check it out. Sometimes the bike trail goes by this like golf courses. The golfers will walk on the bike trail, and when I come up behind them, ringing the bell like crazy, like they don't move. So I'm like really making sure they know. They just stay right where they are. It's like, it's a bike road, dude. Get out of the way. Oh shoot, is this it? Nobody here. Actually, I've seen pretty much no other cyclists this morning at all. Oh my God, I just noticed the fog on the mountains. Holy crap. Okay, I'm gonna walk over there and try to look and see if I can see the dam. I don't know where it is. So at that last checkpoint, I was trying to film and take some video. A car pulled up. This couple got out, husband and wife. They're maybe in their 50s, I'm just guessing. And the husband started setting up a bike. He went and got the stamp there. So they drove to that checkpoint. But the wife was very excited to see me for some reason. She was asking me so many questions and talking to me so much. She got pictures with me, she wanted pictures of me next to her husband. She said her husband is coming up from Busan. I guess he cycles. Like in the morning, she drops him off, he cycles the part, and then she picks him back up and brings him back home or to a hotel, or I don't know what exactly. It was funny though, because she was like, "Are you single? You're single?" I'm like, whoa lady, your husband's right there, dude. Like, calm down a little bit.
1 hour later.
So I made it back to the park that I explored last night, and then I noticed this staircase. So I want to go up there and actually explore what's up there, because I checked the map and it looks like there's actually stuff up there. So we're so close to the room. I'm just gonna go drop the bike off and come back with my bag and everything.
12 seconds later.
Oh man, these stairs are pretty serious. Also, I don't know if you guys can hear that in the background. There's like military jets flying all over today. Hopefully everything's good. I reached a curve in the road, hoping it wouldn't be steps, but it's still steps. Reached your more standard type of trail. Oh, we've got signs though, but all in Korean. Yeah, this area up here does seem to be a bit more expansive than I anticipated. We have more signage pointing in all different directions. I don't know where I've ended up. We've definitely left the park that we were in, I think. I guess those stairs just led to an entire new area, because it's totally different vibe up here. Okay, it's been a while, but we seem to have found another barefoot zone. Lots of people here walking barefoot. I still don't know what that's about. This one actually had English on the sign. This is here to memorialize fallen soldiers from around in like the 1940s, World War II, like liberation from Japan sort of era. A lot of stuff commemorating fallen soldiers. I'm not sure if they're all from the same time or not. I see a parking lot up ahead, but there's too many cars there for it to just be for this. So I'm guessing there's something else. Hopefully this leads to the temple. Looks like it's going pretty far down. If it just brings me back to that other park, I'm gonna be so mad. I see a Buddha. Okay, I translated this sign back here. At some point, the temple burnt down, and then in 1968, it was rebuilt, or at least parts of it were rebuilt. Makes sense, because it does look pretty fresh. I don't know what these ones are hanging here. If you know, please let me know down in the comments. Obviously, I can't read them. They're in Korean, or maybe I can get an idea, but they're back here like behind the temple. This was the first Buddhist temple I had ever experienced, and while it was beautiful, I also found it slightly uncomfortable, as there wasn't another soul in sight. I didn't know what to do or what customs I should be following in a place like this, so I got my shots and moved on. I kind of wish there was at least one group of locals here so I kind of knew what I'm allowed to do. So I don't know if I can go in anything or like go in the one back there or over there. I feel happy to have seen it, but I wish I could have known a little bit more about it and like what the customs are around places like this. I just noticed another building at the top of this long staircase. Getting my steps in today for sure. The door on this one's open and I think there's like a big stone turtle inside it. Don't know who this turtle is. If anyone knows if this means something, again, let me know in the comments. Today just goes to show that when you find a random long staircase going up a hill and you can't see the end of it, just follow it. You'll probably find something cool. Speaking of which, let's see if that theory will hold true. Well guys, I definitely see something up there. I can't read a single word on this thing, so I don't know what it is, but the path keeps going, so we will too. Okay, so it seems to work with going up at least. So remember this rhyme, follow stairs going up and you will have touristic luck. But let's see if it works going down because we have some stairs going down and I cannot see where it goes. Well guys, we found a rock and a view. Okay, no, whoa, the view here is crazy. Wow. Okay, so it works going down too. So see some stairs going down. What follows could be profound? I don't know, I'm still workshopping it, guys. Let me know in the comments. You can see 3 different bridges from this spot. And actually the one back there is the one that we went under this morning when we were going to the dam. Looks pretty far away now. Ah man, guys, I just noticed last night, right there, that little platform, that's where I was standing for sunset. Well, going up and down all these stairs has me a little bit lost, but I'm confident in my sense of direction. I fully believe if I keep going that way, I will find something I know. Either that or I'll just die out here. I think I can show this on YouTube, right? I mean, it's just a statue, guys. Nobody freak out, okay? It's not real. I gotta say, guys, Korea is a treasure trove for travel and for people who love nature, natural travel as well. Every single place that we've stayed so far, there's been something interesting, something beautiful in walking distance from the Airbnb. I couldn't have imagined it being better. There's nobody in this park, man. Nobody. It is so dead compared to last night. I couldn't even walk in this area yesterday for fear of being run over by children. The rest of my day was pretty uneventful. I went back to Mom's Touch because I have absolutely no self-control sometimes. Then I spent longer than I'd like to admit trying to figure out how to get into a Lotte Mart until realizing it was closed due to a national holiday. Guess I should have learned more Korean before coming here. Next time on We Wonder Korea, it's time for one of the most eventful days I had during the trip. From waterfalls to hanging bridges between mountains, it's gonna be a beautiful one you won't want to miss. Keep wondering.